Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard Mathematics C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And today we are going to deal with the topic equal to. It means that our SLO is, or SLO should be, that by the end of the lesson the student should be able to understand the concept equal to, and they will be able to use this sign. So let's start what we can do. Okay students, look at here. How many pencils are there in my right hand? Right hand, 2. And how many pencils are there in my left hand? 2. It means the pencil I am having in my right hand are equal to the pencils I am having in my left hand. Now look at here. How many books are there in my right hand? 1 book. And how many books are there in my left hand? 1 book. It means that I am having equal books in my both hands. Like this. Okay. Now look here again. Look at my hands. How many pencils are there in my right hand? I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pencils in my right hand. But this time I am having 1 pencil in my left hand. It means that I am not having equal pencils in my both hands. Now look at the board. Well, this is basket number 1 and this is basket number 2. Now look at here. It has 2 apples. Basket number 1 has 2 apples. Now look at here. It has 2. It is also having 2 apples. It means number of apples in basket number 1 is equal to. This is the sign of equal to the apples in basket number 2. Now look at here. Basket number 1 is having 2 apples and now basket number 2 is having 3 apples. Are the apples equal? No, they are not equal. Now look at here. I'm going to give you another example. Look at here. Here is a box and the box is having, look at here, what is there in the box? It is having flowers in it. And number 1 box is having 3 flowers. Whereas when we talk about this one, number 2 box, it is having, count it please, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is also having 3 flowers. It means that number of flowers in box 1 is equal to the number of flowers given in the box 2. But if there are, like this, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers in box number 2. Then the number of flowers in box number 1 is not equal to the box number 2. Now what we can do, we can play a game, students. I am going to draw something on the board. And if both of the objects are equal in number, you have to come and you have to use the sign of equal to there. And if the number of the object is not equal, then what you are going to do? You are going to do like this. Are you ready? Ready? Okay. For example, look at here. I have drawn 5 stars here And I have drawn, I'm going to draw 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 stars there. Who will come and tell me 4 stars are equal to 8 stars or not? Come and write. Come and use the sign. Yes. Not equal. 4 stars are not equal to the number of stars. Good. Now look at here. I have drawn one apple here. And I'm going to draw 1, count with me, 2, 3. Come and use this or that. Yes, these are not equal. So, this. Zabardast. Great. Now you can invite the student toward the book and you can tell them that what is this? You can ask them, have you seen this? Have you seen this object? This is a balance and this is used in the shops to measure the things. Now look at there. This is watermelon and this is an apple. Watermelon is heavier than the apple. So it's going down. It means both are not having equal weight. Both are not having equal weight. Now look at this picture. In this classroom number 1, what are there? 1, 2, 3 students. There are 3 students. There are 3 boys. And look at here in class number 2. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 girls. It means that number of students in classroom 1 is equal to the number of students in classroom 2 is equal to the number of students in classroom 2. Now what you can do, you can give a piece of paper to all the students and you can ask them to draw pictures showing the concept of equal, and they have to use this sign also. You can prepare a worksheet where they have to use this or this sign. We suggest you that you should spend at least 2 periods for having your SLOs in a better and proper way. Thank you very much.